Any questions on that set? All right, if we look at this sample problem number 4. Hey, when you're dividing exponents with the same base, you could use the property exactly as it's interpreted. So we could take we notice a common base, so we can write that common base and subtract powers. So 6 minus a 2 leaves us with x to the 4th. So you could apply the properties exactly as it's written. Now, probably what most of you would do on this would be to cancel factors. You can also think of these as canceling factors. So if you look at this fraction as it sits, you have 2 x's in the denominator that cancel with 2 from the numerator, leaving 4, which gives you your answer, x to the 4th. Okay, so you can cancel factors or you can apply the properties. All right, if we look at B, again, similar thing that you can apply one of 2 rules. You can directly apply the rule where dividing exponents with the same base, you copy down the common base and subtract their powers. So 3 minus a negative 7 becomes 3 plus 7. So you get t to the 10th. Okay, or what you could do is you could rewrite your negative power. So if we move this whole base of t up to the numerator, change the sign of its power, and then just apply the rules for this. Multiplying 2 exponents with the same base, you add the powers. T to the 3 plus 7 gives you t to the 10th. Okay, E is the same as, or problem C is the same. You have a common base, so you can either subtract their powers. So e to the minus 5 minus a negative becomes a plus 7, netting you e to the positive 2, so e squared. Or you could move your base e up to the numerator, change the sign to positive, and then add their powers. So e to the negative 5 plus 7 still gives you e to the 2, or e squared. Okay, and then this last example here, if we applied the properties directly, we have division of exponents with the same base. So we're going to keep that common base and subtract the powers. So negative 2 minus a 2 gives you h to the negative 4. Okay, and this has multiple forms. You can write it using a positive or the positive power as well. That would entail moving your base of 4 to the denominator, changing the power of it, or the sign of its power. So either of those forms would be okay for that one.